The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, north central Will County in northeast Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Naperville and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations affected include Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Westmont, Lamont, Burridge, Willow Springs, Justice, Orland Park, Worth, Oak Lawn, Alsip, Woodridge, Clarendon Hills, Darien, Indian Head Park, Countryside, Hopkins, Hickory Hills, Bedford Park, and Palos Hills. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Moraine Valley Community College, Toyota Park, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KWO 39 Chicago.